Alright, y'all. Hell, I don't even know what video this is, Tom. Now y'all know why we ain't got no hair. Stressful. Alright, so look, here's what I want to show you. Let me get past this point here, and then you'll see when I turn the corner. So see how gooey it's becoming. It's not really falling anymore. You got to keep doing this we do it about every 10 minutes. On purpose. Because if you leave it, because these flood coats are on separate times, you're going to find yourself going through and actively skipping over something that was ahead of schedule and already drying on you. So we keep this slicked up and smooth as we go. Okay, I'd rather waste 15 popsicle sticks or 10, however many, than to sit here and have to sand all this crap at the end and get these humps out. Once you get close to the wall, stop, turn your stick over where you ain't got nothing, touch that tape and pull back. Just like that to get that edge. All right, now, show them what we got here, Tom. This is what I want to show them. Go all the way down there. Let me see your camera. Look, check it out, you guys. Let me get down here. This is probably where you're going to see it the best. There you go. So you can see, I'm going to get my finger out of the way, but look at the graphics in that. Okay, I know it's everything above is playing a role, but look at all those explosions, or just the graphics is the best way. Let me try to get out of the light, because man, we're getting a lot of mirror here. You can see those graphics in person. They stick out like a sore thumb. You see them a mile away. That is that metallic shimmer. There you go. Now you're seeing it all, and see that blue glitter and everything. So that's that metallic shimmer. So look at that edge. Now you see why I told you. You do not want a vertical edge. You will never get that to look like that vertical. See how your corners turn out? Beautiful. There you go. Now you can really see it when I go over it this way. So all we're doing now is wow, Tom, that's just like it almost looks like, Tom, that, y'all tell me if I'm wrong in the camera, it looks like we cut the counter right here, put plastic across, and then put I-beams in the counter, and then picked the counter back up and took off with it. That's how crystal clear that sucker is. Tom, go down there and stand at the other end. Look at that. Look how crystal clear he is. Man, you're a handsome fella down there, buddy. That's the clarity, you guys. That's what I'm talking about. That's how you know the mix ratio and everything is completely on point, picture perfect. That's how you know. Look at all that clarity. It's beautiful. Tom, you are absolutely stunning in this top, just so you know, brother. All right, y'all. So we're going to take a quick breather here. We don't get very many of them. We're going to take a quick breather, and we'll bring you right back. All right, you guys. So look, here's where we're at now. These drips have slowed way down. And again, I'm doing this to keep them from, hardening. That's a little tricky spot right there, believe it or not, because it touches that wall. So we probably only have another, see, it's still running, but look at the majority. See how slow that guy is compared to when we let that tape go. So we're getting close. We probably got another 3 or 4 more times of doing this at least. And I'm not digging, just so you know. I'm just gliding. But I mean, you talk about a mirror image. And you know the coolest thing, you all, this is just this, you know, this is just the backdrop, if you will. You ain't seen nothing yet. This is just the backdrop. This beautiful black we wanted to lay down. And we are gonna be, this just gotta dry, you know, overnight. We gotta finish these drips, keep doing them. But this is just the black backdrop. You know, all the graphics that are in it already. I'm pretty sure tomorrow, if not, tomorrow's Friday, so it may be Monday, but we've got our epoxy class tomorrow right up here in town where we live. We've aired that on several different platforms, and you know, we've probably got about 40 people coming. We could only house 40 people, so we've got all 40 people coming, and we're excited for that. That's our little class tomorrow. It's a little beginner class. Me and Tom have already planned ahead, and we've got a little project we're taking up there, and you know, walking everybody through it live and in person. We're going to be airing that, just so you know, so you can see everybody that came and attended and what their experience was in doing something small. So that's tomorrow. So I don't know if we're going to have enough time tomorrow to put the graphics in and do everything we need to do, but they are coming. So this is the first layer of this counter. And, you know, it's got its own little graphics in it because of the isopropyl. So because of the metallic, the shimmer, all that. We're going to be adding more graphics to it. We're going to be adding other things to it. And then we're going to be coming late in the game and putting a clear flood coat over that. Just to encase everything and bring that depth into the equation. So it looks like you're looking at something this thick. And, you know, the whole time it is only that thick. So we're super excited. We hope you all love this thus far. We are truly happy. We're going to jump off here real quick. We want to save a little bit of video time left because we want to show you the last second, last time we go to do the drips. And that is where we are going to bend this tape back off the wall on both sides and this little short piece over here that actually hits the wall. The little sidewall here. So we're going to relieve all that when we know nothing else is going to run so that we don't have to fight that tomorrow. Peeling all that off, you're going to have to cut into it. It's just a mess. So that's why we do that early. We'll bring you right back and hopefully time these strips out to a T. Look. See that? That's that entire side to here. That's all we were able to get off. That's where you know you're done. Okay, and what I want to point out to you, we have 2 bubbles only. Okay, 2 bubbles only. Tom, show them down there. Show them down there in that light. There's one right there. Okay, it's just remember those little patches we put on here to fix what we knew was a little cut. We missed one. We got one more way down here. We don't care about it, because we're going to end up doing a clear flood coat. But we just wanted to show you, out of 18 foot, we got 2 bubbles. We are gold. Appreciate you all tuning in. We hope you like it. Give us a thumbs up if you like it. Stay tuned for the next one. We got graphics coming in.